Hi, here's how to quickly install and set up Beeking Search in WordPress. First, make sure you already have WooCommerce installed on your site, as Beeking Search requires it. Right, let's begin. In your WordPress admin panel, go to Plugins in the left-hand sidebar, and then click the Add New Plugin button. In the search bar, type Beeking and press Enter. Once you see Beeking Search in the results, click Install Now and wait a few moments for it to install. After installation, click the Activate button. With the plugin activated, look for Beeking Search in your WordPress admin sidebar on the left and click on it. At this point, the basic search will be functional, but it won't be using its AI capabilities yet. To enable those, you'll need a free API key. Click on the option or button that says something like, Get your free API key. This will usually take you to the Beeking website. There, you'll need to create an account and then confirm your email address. Once that's done, log into your Beeking account and find and click the Generate API Key button. Copy the generated API key. Now, switch back to your WordPress admin area into the Beeking Search settings. Paste your copied API key into the designated field and click Test API Key to ensure it's working. If the test is successful, check the box that says Use AI-powered search. Finally, click the Synchronize Products button. Just wait a short while for the synchronization process to complete, and that's it. And don't forget to click Save Settings button. Your AI-powered Beeking Search is now fully set up and ready to go.